We often encounter scenarios where we are presented with a tool that we don't know how to best utilize. And software solutions for processing documents can be frustrating and sometimes difficult to use. Like giving a spell book to someone who can't read, or giving a sword to someone who has only ever used a butter knife. Scanshare is all about knowing how to use it. And what Scanshare excels best at is workflows. But what exactly is a workflow? Well, it's just any series of steps or tasks needed to complete or achieve a goal. Your daily goals, your everyday tasks. And 3 out of 4 of these tasks can be automated. And with Scanshare, they can be intelligently automated. In the same way traffic lights handle the work of crossing guards, Scanshare can ensure that your daily goals are accomplished by allowing you to focus on the more meaningful tasks, while Scanshare handles the more menial ones. We're not just talking about classic scan and capture options. We're talking about intelligent document processing. For example, let's say you work in an emergency room and it's hectic all the time. However, you still need to get these patients information, so you have them fill out a form. But then you need to upload everything into your system. Instead of taking the time to type everything in, there's a more efficient way. Using a tool like Scanshare and knowing how to best utilize it, you can just scan your document, letting Scanshare allow you to do the most important part of your job, taking care of patients. Once the document is scanned, it goes through a workflow designed specifically for your organization's needs. Do you need to make sure the document is straight, clear, and legible? You can add image processing to despeckle and deskew the document. What about getting all the information off of the form? Even if the patient hand-wrote everything, Scanshare has AI modules that can read handwriting and automatically fill out data fields for you. Do you need to verify that the document is correct? Or what about redacting sensitive information from the form? What if you need to send the document to multiple digital storage locations? Scanshare is more than document management. It's document transformation. Curious to see how Scanshare's workflow automation can transform your organization? Visit us at acd-inc.com or reach out to your ACDI representative.